Hello, welcome to another immigration art video. My name is Art Serratelli, and together with Mara Mijal, the two of us, we are the partners here at Serratelli Mijal PLLC. If you've got a question, we've got an answer. So give us a call or send us an email. Send us an email. Email is your best bet. You send us an email and we'll get the conversation starting from there. And all consultations are free. So if we need to make a phone call after the email, we will do it. The topic of today's video is marriage cases. Marriage cases. If I marry a United States citizen, has anything changed since the last immigration art video about marriage cases? Not much has changed. It's essentially all the same. A marriage case today is the exact same marriage case that we were preparing and filing and going to interviews for at the local immigration office back 20 years ago. Between today and 20 years ago, nothing significant has changed. The only thing that's changed, to be honest, is the processing times. The processing times for green cards issued in America. The process of getting immigration benefits through marriage to an American has a dual process depending upon where you're physically located on earth when you file the papers. If you are in America and you want permanent residency and you're married to an American, well, you simply file for the green card, the actual card in America, and it goes through the immigration service. In other words, if you're in America, we hand out green cards here, but we do not hand out green cards overseas. So if you are overseas and you are already married to an American overseas, we don't hand out green cards over there. We hand out visas. If you're already married to an American, then generally speaking, you can't ask for a green card if you're overseas in Spain. You got to ask for an immigrant visa. Immigrant visa, permanent residency, they mean the same thing. So how do you get permanent residency? If you're in America, you file for a green card. If you want permanent residency, but you're in Spain, we don't hand out green cards in Spain. You got to ask for an immigrant visa. The only thing that's changed is the processing times for the issuance of green cards in America. You were getting green cards issued about 5-6 months after filing. Well, now maybe it could take in certain areas of the country, read the areas with more immigrant population, the processing times could take now for a green card to be in your hand based on marriage. It could take 5 months, 6 months, 7 months, 8 months. In the olden days, it used to take 14 months, 15 months. So that's why they would give you a 12-month work authorization card. As soon as you file the marriage-based green card case in America, your status is, I'm a person waiting in line for a green card, and that's a status. And I know it's a status because you get benefits. They will mail you a card that lets you work and lets you travel out of America and return not as a visitor, not as any other status, but as a person waiting in line for a green card. So these combination work and travel permission cards, EAD slash advanced parole cards, now it could take they're easier to renew. They're easier to renew, but there's a little delay. So, there you have it. What's changed between the last videos we've made on this topic and today regarding marriage based green cards when one spouse is a U.S. citizen? What's changed? Not much. It's all the same. Processing times have changed, but the procedure and the choices are all the same. But the point is, you have all the choices today that you had at the time we made our videos about this topic, and you have the same choices today as you did 20 years ago when I started as an immigration lawyer.